Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Pixel 4a off and removing the SIM tray. This prevents short circuits. Once done, clear a flat workspace and gather a Phillips #00, a plastic pry tool, and a suction cup. Make sure to ground yourself to avoid static. You can touch a metal table leg. Begin by loosening the rear panel clips. Heat is not required, but gentle warming with your hand eases seams. Now position the suction cup near the bottom edge to lift a small gap. Once you have a small gap, insert the plastic pick and gently work clockwise to release the clips along the edge. Short, steady motions reduce damage. Make sure to keep pressure on the suction point so the panel doesn't snap back. When the panel lifts enough, use a second pick to hold the opening while you slide around the perimeter. The clips are plastic and will pop free with consistent movement. After the panel is open, locate and disconnect the battery connector immediately to cut power to internal circuits. With power isolated, remove the visible screws and the small bracket covering flex cables. Keep parts organized so reassembly is straightforward. You can now access the battery, speaker, and daughter board. Use plastic tools to lift connectors at their edges, not the cable body, because tearing occurs where the cable meets the connector. If a clip or adhesive resists, reapply gentle heat with your hand or a 10-15 second warm source and retry. Troubleshooting tip. If the rear panel won't reseat, check for misaligned clips or debris and try again carefully.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.